As this appliance produces potentially lethal carbon monoxide, it must be used only in a well-vented area, preferably outdoors. Be sure to set the heater and the propane tank on a level non-combustible surface in an upright position only. Check the regulator, specifically the rubber O-ring, for any significant damage. Remove the valve cap and firmly attach the heater's regulator to the propane tank. Next, open the valve and turn the heater's regulator knob counterclockwise to the medium position. To light the burner, place a lit match or lighter across the mesh screen where you see light here on the reflector. Then push in the valve button on the safety shutoff valve. After the burner is lit, continue to hold the valve button in for 30 seconds and then release slowly. To shut off the heater, turn the regulator knob clockwise to off, and then firmly shut the propane tank valve. After shutting off, the heater will remain extremely hot. Allow at least 15 minutes for cooling before handling and storing. Remove the heater and store face down to avoid water from building up inside the burner. Finally, replace the valve cap.